Here's how you can record your iPhone screen. To record your iPhone screen, you don't need to download any third party apps. You will not see any built in recorder in Control Center by default. So you need to add it to the Control Center. Tap on the settings icon and Control Center. Here you will see the list of controls included in Control Center. Also a list of options that you can add. Find screen recording and tap on the plus icon to add the Control Center. Now you should have the screen recording option set up in the Control Center like this. So if you have an iPhone 10 or later, you can do this by swiping down from the top right corner. If you're having an older device, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Now open the Control Center. To start your screen recording, tap on the record button. You will know that your screen is recorded when you see the red timer on the top. To end or stop the recording, open the Control Center and tap on the record button again. This will stop the recording. Also, you can hit on the red timer, which will give you a pop-up to stop the recording. To record your voice along with the screen, tap and hold on the record button. Then turn on the microphone. Make sure the microphone button is red. You can find all your recordings in Photos app. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions related to it, comment down below. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel Techgoku. Thank you all.